Have you ever looked at a slow loris and thought it was one of the cutest animals on Earth? With its huge eyes and slow, gentle movements, it seems completely harmless. But hidden behind that innocent face is a secret so unusual that it has fascinated scientists for decades. Because this tiny creature is the world's only venomous primate. The slow loris has been around for an incredibly long time. Its ancestors split from other primates around 70 million years ago, when Tyrannosaurus rex still walked the earth. Over millions of years, they gradually migrated from Africa to the forests of Southeast Asia, where they evolved into masters of stealth. As the sun begins to set, the slow loris finally comes to life. While most daytime animals settle down to rest, this quiet hunter starts its nightly journey. It moves carefully through the trees, using its enormous eyes to scan the darkness for insects, small animals, fruit, nectar, and tree sap. Pygmy slow lorises can spend almost the entire night moving without taking much time to rest. Their slow pace isn't a weakness, it's actually one of their greatest strengths. Unlike many other primates, slow lorises have a high proportion of slow-twitch muscle fibers, allowing them to move steadily for long periods without exhausting themselves. They also have extra vertebrae, making them remarkably flexible. Even more impressive, special blood vessel networks allow them to grip a single branch for hours without their limbs becoming numb. This ability gives them a huge advantage. Many predators rely on movement to spot prey, so by moving slowly, or remaining perfectly still, the slow loris can stay almost invisible. The same strategy also helps it sneak close to unsuspecting prey. Their diet is surprisingly varied. Slow lorises eat insects, small animals, fruit, nectar, and large amounts of tree gum and sap. Using a specialized row of teeth called a tooth comb, they scrape bark to reach these sticky plant substances. Although they're difficult to digest, scientists believe these chemicals may play a role in one of the slow loris's most extraordinary adaptations. Because the slow loris doesn't just survive using stealth, it survives using venom. When threatened, it raises its arms above its head to reach glands near its armpits that release a toxic oil. After licking these glands, the oil mixes with its saliva, creating a powerful venom unlike anything found in any other primate. Scientists believe this two-part venom system is one of the most complex among mammals. The venom coats the sharp tooth comb and is delivered through a bite capable of causing severe pain, tissue damage, dangerous allergic reactions, and even death in small animals. But biting isn't the venom's only purpose. Slow lorises spread the toxic oil across their fur, helping kill parasites and possibly discouraging predators. Compared with many other primates, they carry remarkably few parasites. When they sleep, they curl into tight balls, leaving their venom-coated fur exposed as an extra layer of protection. Many predators seem to understand the warning. Cats, civets, and sun bears are often repelled simply by the scent of slow loris saliva. Orangutans, however, appear far less affected. Ironically, the animals most likely to suffer a slow loris bite are other slow lorises. During an 8-year study, researchers recorded only one death from natural predators, but around 20% of the population had been bitten by another loris, most likely during territorial disputes. Their warning signals don't end there. When threatened, slow lorises raise their arms, sway their bodies, and produce raspy sounds. Some scientists believe these behaviors, along with the dark markings around their eyes, may mimic the spectacled cobra. If true, it could be an example of Müllerian mimicry, where two dangerous species share similar warning signals that teach predators to stay away. Sadly, humans don't always recognize those warnings. Every species of slow loris is threatened, yet many are still captured for the illegal pet trade. Their teeth are often cut or pulled out before being sold, stripping away the very defense that helped them survive for millions of years in the wild. The slow loris may look like one of the cutest animals on Earth, but behind those wide eyes is one of nature's most remarkable survivors. Perhaps the real lesson isn't how dangerous the slow loris is, it's that some wild animals are perfectly designed for the forests they call home, and that's exactly where they belong.